Welcome to GFC Campus Tour, Spring 2022.
In this episode, we're going to be learning about extra eats, I'm weak, sink or swim, and ranker.
Wow, what a great extra eats segment.
Welcome to Extra Eats. Today we are at Mexican Village in Grand Forks. We have an exclusive interview with the co-owners and are going to try out some of their favorite dishes. Before we get to eating, let's start with the interview.
Hi, I'm Kristen Farmer, and I'm one of the co-owners of Mexican Village.
All right. And how long have you been an owner?
I have been an owner, one of the owners, since 2018.
How long have you worked here prior to being an owner?
I've been here a total of 19 years, so I started here when I was 14 years old.
What are your top 2 dishes?
Oh, I have to narrow it down to 2?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, one of my favorites is the chicken fajita bowl. I like that because I really like our rice, and the fajita chicken's really good too. And then if I chose something with gravy, it would be the chimichanga with the red gravy.
Okay, that sounds pretty good.
Hi, I'm Ben Height. I'm one of the co-owners of Mexican Village here in Grand Forks, North Dakota. I've been actually in the restaurant for about 20 years, so I started when I was 25 years old. I've now owned part of the restaurant since 2018.
What are your two favorite dishes at Mexican Village?
Oh my gosh, I have to. So I really like just the plain basic beef and bean burrito, the brown gravy, probably medium size. I like that. And then actually one of my go-to ones is 2 cheese enchiladas with rice and beans with brown gravy.
All right.
This is a chicken fajita bowl.
1 cheese enchilada dinner.
It was really good. Mine was really good. Yours looked really good too.
Yeah, yours too.
Thank you. What did you like about yours?
You're just good all around. Really like the beans. What about yours?
Oh, I just love all the flavor in there. There's just so much in there, and it just really packs a punch.
Wow, what a great extra eats segment. Now let's go to I'm weak.
Hi, I'm Andrew Spicer, and I go to Grand Forks Central High School.
Hi, I'm Brandon Weathers, and I go to Grand Forks Central High School.
And we're trying not to laugh with water in our mouth.
Liquids in our mouth.
Alright, first one. It takes guts to be an organ donor. I used to be addicted to soap, but I'm clean now. Oh, damn. Let's go. How do you make a tissue dance? Put a little boogie in it. It's so stupid, oh my god. I can't. Okay. What do you call it when a snowman throws a tantrum? A meltdown. You good? Come on, buddy. I don't trust stairs. They're always up to something. Damn. Come on. Why did Billy get fired from the banana factory? He kept throwing out the bent ones. I'm afraid for the calendar. Its days are numbered. You good? If April showers bring May flowers, what does May flowers bring? Pilgrims.
Can't do it.
That was a great I'm Leaf segment. Very funny. Now we're off to sink or swim.
Welcome back to Sink or Swim. This is a competition between country and rap. This is a representative of rap.
And this is my story. Rap has always seemed so much better than country. It's more lively, entertaining, and not slow and boring, talking about being on a prairie or a farm or any of that.
A representative of country.
The reason I chose country is because it's an upbeat songs you can listen to in the car.
First up is Barefoot Blue Jean by Jake Owen versus Super Gremlin by Kodak Black. The votes are in. 2 votes for rap, 1 vote for country. For the first round, rap won. The second round is Somebody Like You by Keith Urban versus Pushing Pete by Gunna.
She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian.
Vote for rap, where did the representative go? There's the representative for rap. Country has 2 votes. The winner for round 2 is Somebody Like You. Next up for round 3 is Dog's Country by Blake Shelton versus Wall Seeds by Drake.
Right outside of this one church town, there's a for the 4, but I love me a threesome. D.O. and deleted, she my little secret. He trying to
2 votes for rap, 1 vote for country. The winner for round 3 is rap with 2 votes. Round 4 is Dirt Road Anthem by Jason Aldean versus I Hate Youngboy by Youngboy. Two votes for rap, okay. 1 vote for country. The winner for round 4 is rap. Let's see how the rap representative thinks about the votes so far.
To be honest, I'm not surprised rap is winning. It's kind of better than that yeehaw stuff.
Let's see how the country representative thinks about the votes.
I think the votes are biased and it's not fair.
Now back, let's go on to round 5. Round 5 is Cruise by Florida Georgia Line versus Freestyle by Lil Baby. One vote for rap, 2 votes for country. Results are in for the last round, and country wins.
Thank you, because I already knew rap was gonna win.
That was a very funny sink or swim. Go rap.
Ranking teachers to see if they can be NFL football coaches.
Welcome to Ranker, where today we're going to be ranking our top 5 Central High School teachers as football coaches.
At number 5, we have Miss Bundy. She's an algebra teacher, so she's going to be able to calculate everything that you need to know about football and get her team right for every game.
At number 4, we have Mrs. Kalka. She is one of the greatest speakers I've ever seen. She'll have those amazing halftime speeches to get her team back in the game.
At number 3, we have Mr. Lorenz. Of course, he was the Central High School football coach, so he's got experience. So for that reason, he would be good.
At number 2, we have Mr. Lennon, again another football coach. However, he's a little bit more fun than Lorenz, and he's a little more personal with his players. Therefore, he's at number 2.
Right. And at number 1, we have Mr. Paintner. You know, we use Desmos all the time in Algebra 2, and so he's going to be able to draw up these routes on Desmos. And he's really vocal, he talks, and he always asks us to come in for help, so all his players are going to be going in and getting that work in.
I want you to do this, and then do this, and then next, run down the field. You hear me? Do you hear me? Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
Can you please like, comment, and share? We need views for this spring campus tour.
We want views.